This is take 2 of my video. This is the apartment that people are moving. Some of our friends that work at Penske are moving out. And here is a 1989 Heil air conditioner. It kind of looks like an ICP looks like a lot like a Tempster, maybe a comfort maker, but it is a Heil. And this is a pretty cool unit, even though it has some dust and a bug in there. And it does need a good cleaning, but Priya says I can't clean it. But okay, here it is. I'm going to tell you the serial number and model number, and I'm not going to film any like thermostat, air vents, other people, or the air handler, but there is a Heil air handler. And so, okay, let's see if you can see. Okay, serial number is L8932788044. Model number is CA10QKA2. So yeah, a 1989 Heil air conditioner from August of 1989. It is a pretty cool unit. It has 3 blades, and it looks like they've replaced the motor. It's not rusty, but here's some dust on it, and you can hear some units up there. And it's all screwed in. I see a lot of units like this with the motor screwed in, like the ICP, Tempstar. I don't think Comfort Maker. I like the style that. Sorry about that. Here is the 1989 Heil. Sorry about dropping the phone. Here is the motor. Yeah, it is kind of screwed in, just like those ICPs and Tempstars. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is a 1989 Heil. Okay, out. This has been a Tan Fan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.